Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create an email signature in GoDaddy Webmail. A professional email signature helps present contact details clearly and strengthens your brand's identity. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to GoDaddyWebmail.com. When we are on the GoDaddy Webmail page, we log in with our email and password. After logging in, we go to Settings, which is in the upper right corner. Here in Settings, we click All Settings. Next, we are prompted to the Compose Mail section. In Compose Mail, we make sure to check the HTML option so the signature will be allowed in the email. After selecting that, we go to Signatures. Now, we add a new signature. In this section, we can add any signature we want, configure it, and choose our preferred fulfillment and signature options. When we are done, we click Save. With a customized signature, every email we send will look more professional and consistent.